chapter which we are starting is portfolio management. Portfolio is a combination of assets or securities in which the investor has parked his money with an intention to earn the return.
Assessment procedure, my friends, there are various topics. Usme first है friends is return of income.
The first topic with which I am starting today, and that is professional ethics.
When I say who are the people who are required to get themselves registered, so there are in and all two categories.